Hi, everybody. This is Marlene Cohen. I have my doctorate in educational leadership, and I am a behavior analyst at the doctoral level, and I am teaching online for the ABA department. This is my second semester teaching for George Mason University. I have taught online before. I've actually been teaching online since 2007. Previously, I taught at the Chicago School of Professional Psychology, also in their ABA department. And I've used eCollege for a short period of time, and then we switched over to Canvas. My only experience with Blackboard, other than the course that I taught, the last course I taught for GMU, was with Rowan University when I used the Blackboard only for an on-ground course and to just upload materials for the students to access. And so Blackboard does not appear to me to be as intuitive as Canvas is, and I think sometimes when you change a format to something that you're learning that's different, it becomes a little bit frustrating. But I do love online teaching, and I love using all the tools online to engage the students and to meet the needs of students who have a variety of learning styles and learning preferences. So I'm excited to learn more about Blackboard so that I can use more of its tools and use them more efficiently. As far as two truths and a lie, my first statement will be that I will be singing in public for the first time in a community setting on Friday, June 1st. The second is that I have 4 adult children who are scattered throughout the United States. And lastly, I live in the Outer Banks of North Carolina. So I guess that's it. I'm excited to get to know more about this course and to meet all of you.